poet, freedom fighter, activist, orator, and administrator. Sarojini Naidu, also remembered as the Nightingale of India, is one of the most revered personalities of the 20th century. Born on 13th February 1879 in Hyderabad to distinguished Bengali parents, Sarojini Naidu's remarkable passion for writing from an early age earned her a scholarship to study abroad. Following her time in England, she was drawn to the Indian nationalist movement for India's independence from British rule and became a follower of Mahatma Gandhi and his idea of Swaraj. She was one of the major figures to have led the civil disobedience movement and the Quit India movement, and faced repetitive arrests by the British authorities during the time and even spent 21 months in jail. She was the first woman to become the governor of Uttar Pradesh after India's independence. Throughout her career, she worked for the dignity of every Indian and the education and emancipation of women, and spread the ideals of social welfare, women empowerment, and nationalism across the nation. Her work as a poet earned her the sobriquet the Nightingale of India or Bharat Kokila by Mahatma Gandhi because of the colour, imagery, and lyrical quality of her poetry. Sarojini Naidu passed away on 2nd March 1949, but she will always be remembered as the woman who dedicated her life to fighting for a better India.